In this video, we're taking you straight into the heart of the action. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. In the next case, in an urban area in Brazil, a police tactical unit initiates an intense chase when suspect in a white car unexpectedly open fire, forcing the police to immediately engage in combat to protect public safety. The situation becomes extremely dangerous when the suspect continuously fires backward. In response, the officer must drive around heavy traffic while simultaneously firing precisely out the window to neutralize the aggressive target. After abandoning the vehicle, the suspect scales walls and breaks into a residence to hide, forcing the police to cautiously search room by room to ensure the absolute safety of the innocent and panicked residents.
Bora, boy! De boa, pô!
Cadê?
Que é isso?
Tem alguém dentro de casa?
Não, eu saiba, não cheguei agora.
A senhora tava lá atrás?
Não? Não, não sei não, cheguei da rua agora.
Ele pulou, deve ter pulado, pô.
Vamos aí! Calma, senhor, fica calmo. Bora, mais uma vez. Pra ninguém não, senhora.
Ele deve ter pulado. Por cima, por cima. Tem gente atrás! Tem polícia atrás! Tem polícia atrás! Tem polícia atrás! Ele saiu torando aqui por cima. Achei que tá tudo quebrado.
The chase ends with the suspect injured and completely immobilized on the ground. This is a valuable lesson. Resisting arrest with lethal force never offers a way out, leading only to serious legal consequences and risk of death for the criminal himself. In the next case, Mesquita and his partner are chasing two subjects on a motorcycle with no plates and no helmet. Pay attention because he's about to show off, weaving recklessly through traffic, dodging every obstacle, and mocking the police at every turn as if daring them to catch him. A serious accident was narrowly averted. A remarkable rescue by the fugitive. Had he not reacted so quickly, someone could have ended up in the hospital right now. Look at this on the left. As soon as he heard the siren, he quickly put on his helmet, but forgot to take off his hat. I'm no expert, but I don't think that's the proper way. motorcyclists are on the run just in case. It's like Black Friday, but for criminals. One of the suspects jumps off the motorcycle and crashes into the police motorcycle. The motorcycle skidded over a wet patch, but the driver maintained control and accelerated. This man's luck was better than his skill. He crashes straight into a car, but keeps going as if nothing happened. Invincible, or just impossibly stubborn. Once again, he's circling the neighborhood, but this show can't last forever. Unfortunately, the policeman's camera goes dark, yet he confirms that the fugitive finally ran out of gas and was captured. In the next case, the official unit detected a figure moving at an unnaturally high speed. The agents initiated pursuit, and the moment he sensed their presence, he vanished into flight. Yet this time, no one can tell how far his escape will take him, or when the thin thread of luck he clings to will snap. Pay close attention. He's on the verge of doing something dangerously unpredictable. He nearly ran a woman down in his reckless flight. And now he almost ran over 2 children. He ducks into the crowded market, blending in as if he were just another face in the crowd. And now he darts in the wrong direction, adrenaline hitting him with a dangerous surge. To make matters worse, he snags the backpack of an unsuspecting pedestrian and nearly loses his balance. But somehow he seems to have more lives than a stray cat. And you, how do you think this chaotic spectacle will end? He still moves like a shadow through the narrow streets. He darts from alley to alley, flipping over crates and dodging corners as if the city itself is rolling out the red carpet for his escape. He abandons his motorcycle, leaving the officers stunned. Clearly, they had underestimated him.
Nil, não há registro da placa aí, apenas o número de chassi aí, pra gente essa CG 5 vermelha. Mas correu pra onde, moleque?
They go from street to street, questioning anyone who might have caught a glimpse of a man running like a man possessed. The neighborhood stretches endlessly, a labyrinth of alleys and side streets where he could have disappeared without a trace. The officers haven't given up hope. Then, without warning, he appears. Once again, he is registered as a motorcycle officer in Brazil. All the standard administrative measures had been applied, yet nothing could explain the sudden appearance of the motorcycle or where it even came from. In the next case, at a gas station on Avenida Águia de Aia, in the eastern part of São Paulo, the police team spotted two suspicious individuals on a motorcycle. As they approached for a routine traffic stop instead of obeying the order, the suspects immediately accelerated, initiating a tense, high-speed chase in the darkness of the night.
Delta. Eco Romeo Delta 4585. Calma aí. 4585.
Despite the loud sirens, the suspects weave recklessly through the heavy traffic and flee at breakneck speed. They constantly drive on the wrong side of the road and ignore all the red lights at major intersections. This behavior not only seriously violates the law, but also puts the lives of pedestrians and their own lives in extreme danger.
Eles vão correr, mano. Sim, vamos lá. Vambora. Vai tomar! Vai tomar!
In a desperate attempt to evade the relentless pursuit of the police, the driver enters narrow, dark alleys filled with obstacles. On a sharp turn in a dead-end alley, the passenger jumps off the motorcycle, risking his life to escape on foot, while the driver loses control and crashes into a wall, ending the frantic chase.
Tem uma viatura indo ao contrário. Para essa... Vai, deita no chão, seu filho. Cadê a arma? Não tenho não.
Both individuals were quickly apprehended. The motorcycle was found with duct tape covering the license plate and was verified as stolen along with the victim's cell phone. The lesson is that reckless flight is often a smokescreen for more serious crimes, such as robbery, and justice may be slow, but it does not fail. Those who disrespect the law and public safety end up paying a high price behind bars.
Beleza? Não, toca nada aqui não, fraco.
In the next case, officers are patrolling a poor neighborhood in Curitiba when a suspect takes off on a motorcycle. Brace yourself, because this is one of the most insane chases ever captured is about to unfold. He walks so fast that his shoes fly through the air. The suspect hid inside a store, trying to escape from the police. The suspect's mother appears, admitting that her fugitive son had been hiding in her house. The little angel was finally apprehended, and all administrative measures were applied. The motorcycle was impounded at the station, and all fines from the video footage were registered in her name. And that's a wrap. For now, the fugitives may be caught, but the city never sleeps, and the next chase is always just around the corner. Stay alert, because in these streets, the unexpected is always waiting. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.